Kabuok?
Oh, 4 kabuok.
Girls hard at work. Boiling up the, soften it up for them to pluck. Their mama's kind of big and plucking away. Smile, you're on Candy Camera.
Honey, come closer, Han. Han, come closer ba?
Wait.
This is our way of wrapping the chicken.
How to do it in the Philippines.
We dump them in the hot water, boiling water. Like that.
And still
And then
squawking.
double check it if it's fine. And then it's too hot. Then dump it in the.
You got a pair of tweezers around here somewhere.
Dump it in the. Come on, honey.
I got it.
There, like that. Then here.
3-phaser, 4-phaser.
Then take this up, like that. Oo, bitaw eh. Nanito mo yan?
Hmm?
Oo.
Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Quick and easy.
Like this. Oh, ako man ang ginihaw pa.
He's over there
Wala lang.
cutting them
Pa,
up.
nangaulian. Kaya pa nakas quarantine area pa. Honey, sit. Han, so that the camera ba is nice looking.
What, zoom in?
No, it's not. The way you did your camera.
Oh.
Inanion deh, ma.
Bulyagon ka na.
Lagi kayo?
Nalutot ko man ang ganina mo. Pagtunod, kuwang.